film. Now let's plate that curry. Let's get at least 2 pieces of chicken. Woo! Put that on there. I'm done plating. There you go. It looks delicious. And as you know me, I like to add a little parsley or something to make it all pretty looking. There we go. Let's see what my wife thinks. All right, we've got it here. There's her plate. You ready to eat?
Yes.
Okay, let's try it. Her mom used to make this for her all the time. Let's see what she does. Get the little curry, little chicken, blows it off, and drum roll.
Mmm, it's really good.
Yeah, let's get a shot of them trying to make it.
My eyesight sucks right now.
You're gonna be snowblind.
Yeah. I can't see.
Come on, TikTok, you don't stop. Mountain over there. Here. Beautiful up here. Elia a Mataio. Ole tusi ile nafa o Yesu Keriso ole atilii o Tavita.
Oh yeah!
I was supposed to say that. That's what she
Drag
said.
him on the shore. There you go. He swallowed it to his yin yang.
There we go. Look at that.
Yeah. It's a nice little fatty.
Give the camera a kiss. Mwah. Oh my goodness, it is smelling delicious. All right, my wife's hair is not done. She's worried she's not made up, but that's okay. We love her anyway, so I've got some skin on there, some meat on there, and the fat and the skin. She loves it all. So here, let's see how she reacts. Just open your mouth. Give us your honest opinion.
Awesome.
Like a real man. Here I go. Oh God. Like a real man. Here I go. Oh God. That wasn't me. Stop screaming like that, girls. Okay, the custard pie looks done. From this angle, I don't want to get steamed up lids. But I'm going to take it off and let it cool a little bit. Okay, it's done and it's cooled down a little bit. My wife is smelling the custard fruit pie. Good Lord, just eat it.
Hot.
Yeah, oh yeah, don't burn yourself. I told you not to eat it yet.
Mmm. Good. It's hot, but it's good.
Hot but good. O te tu maui sa taro seio o ina manu malo. Let's see if she likes the sapasui. It isn't hard to make, so hopefully she likes it. If she doesn't like it, I need to leave the house. How is it? Good. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching. How's that look, everybody? I've got a little tray with some paper towels. Yeah. Is it done? Let's look inside. I can't tell. Well,
Very good, sweetie.
what do you think? You want some? Do you want to try some? Do you have a piece?
No,
And we got
greasy.
too greasy, and Princess down here, she loves looking in the camera. Sweet lady of Samoa, she comes from Pongo Pongo, waiting on her fa'i. Skills! Yeah, look silly. I know how to peel the fa'i. Choo! Choo! Woo! Yeah, I moved the camera. Kids are shy, you know. Some kids are good on film. Some kids are a little camera shy. That's okay. My wife is not shy to eat, though, as you can see. These little things. Here we go.
What?
What'd you get? Let's see it.
One step. One step.
Show us what you got. Oh, what's it say? Polynesian Queen. Joo-hoo! Do you like it, sweetie?
Thank you, sweetie.
Safaio e ma'auo Ho anana fifo e male aso Nai o inga whaamawalalo Ele whaangalo.
Honey, we'll off your eye.
Yes, honey, in a few minutes.
Fa'ababe!
Yes, honey, I'll make dinner right now. Ireland.
I'm what?
Right, it's all set to go. My wife doesn't know what ancestry food I'm going to give her, but here you go, honey. You're 1% of Irish. This is called Kipper's Eggs and Toast.
Ah!
Looking for the spider, and what's that? She's just kind of staring at it like from outer space until finally she realizes, oh my gosh. Less than 30 minutes later, my wife has it all set up, even though we don't know where we're going to put it yet. It's her musubi snack. Let's see how she likes it. Okay, my youngest, just sit down. There's your musubi, sweetie. Then they are the winner. The last one. She's all excited. And the winner gets $50! Holla! In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, eat! So what? You're gonna lose if you don't pick it up right now and eat it.
Oh my God.
Eat all of it. Quickly. You gotta eat fast or it's gonna be hot. There goes Mommy. Look at her go.
I'm scared.
Oh my God. Mommy wants that $50. She's doing so good. Look at her face. Acapella's scarfing it down. Silhouette picture, no. Silhouette, you have 10 seconds or you're disqualified. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. There she goes. She got it in her mouth. Oh! And this one girl that had some short shorts on, a tank top that showed her belly, and long wavy hair that was probably some of the most beautiful hair I had ever seen. And immediately I was like, holy smokes, who is that girl? And skipping ahead to our whole life, since that day I kissed her, we've never been with anyone else. Let's see if I can get the crab out first. Maybe put it over there, or leave it there. Oh, a crawdad came out. And the rest. Holy smoly. Happy Halloween!
Hey, man, thank you, man.
She got a soda for you.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
Yeah, it's early trick-or-treat time.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
Enjoy it, brother.
That's very good, honey.
What's that, the tilapia?
Mm-hmm. That's really good.
Good, I'm glad you love it, sweetie pie. I love you.
Love you.
Can we make out later?
Sure.
So there we go. There's the enchilito. Ooey melted cheese. I add a little lettuce on each end, some avocado slices, a couple dollops of the sour cream, and of course some tomatoes. And now for my final touches, the super hot sauce. I just like making a nice drizzle right down the middle. Butcher. And we bought ourselves some piggy feet. Rest in peace, Mrs. Piggy. Pig's feet, vegetables, noodles, and rice. Now remember, I never made this, so let's see Mommy's reaction. Hope she don't spit it at me, because then Daddy gets sauce on.
This is so good!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome! In front of a live studio audience all the way from Pollywood, we present How I Married a Samoan, Part 2. First introducing the fowl from Tutuila, Asako! There we go. Hope that looks good. Now let's go surprise my wife. Okay, keep your eyes closed, honey. All right, open them up. What do you think it is? You can look.
Lava, everyone. I was trying to be
as much as my dad as I could. Did I do a good job?
Wow!
What's wrong?
You're good.
Oh, the noodles? Do you like them silhouette? Kill! Y'all heard of that T-Pain guy? Well, I'm the T-A-M-A-P-A-L-A-G-I. That's right. Ready? Okay, open it. You know what that is?
Surfai.
Porridge, yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
Is it made right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, Tilofa. Here we go. Oh, make way. Move your arm. Let me get comfortable. Okay, Mama.
No, you can't have my gara.
No. Okay, I'm ready. Just let it go. There you go. What's your character's name?
Scaramouche from Genshin Impact.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Mangaya.
Mangaya, right?
Mangaya.
Mangaya.
Maya.
Good job. Happy birthday, acapella. Happy birthday, dear mama. Happy birthday, Silhouette. Hello, Laser Foo, everyone. I am so excited today. And so I'd like you to accept this money from me and my subscribers to you to help you buy your food or something for your family or anything you want. In a minute. It would.
Everyone, today for Mother's Day, I'm making Mom breakfast and I'm making green eggs and ham. Come here.
How do you say quickly?
Sal.
Sal what?
Sal Fa'afavi.
Fa'avavi.
Sal Fa'afavi.
Come see what she made, sweetie.
Yum.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
What'd you make her, acapella, for dinner?
Pigfoot stew.
Pigfoot stew. Oink, 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 oink.
Hey everyone. So, thanks so much for joining me. I found out I want to share some things that I've learned about Samoan girls over these past many years. But that's not why I'm out here hiding in the woods. I also found out that my wife and kids have a secret power. So, the secret power is, wait, I think someone's coming.
I was waiting for someone to say, D. But hey, look at this. I did it. I did it. I'm so happy. If she can guess what it is by smelling it, maybe. All right, honey, you ready? This is something you haven't had in probably 6-7 years. Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
All right. Open your eyes and look down.
That's Oka.
Good night.
Yeah.
Or COC, the coconut, if you prefer. I'm gonna take my blanket and make a run for it. Oh, please pray for me. I'm so... Oh, God.
And you know, if you know me, the first thing I'm going to try is palasami. Let's dig into the taro leaf. Oh, shoot, I forgot my salt. I always need extra salt. Oh, wow. It's so good. All right, time is up. So I'm going to go down in this pot and get my wife some veggies. And definitely there's some pork neck. And get her this giant, look at this giant hawk. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Holy moly, what are you guys doing here? I didn't know. Hey brother, you want something to eat? There you go. Hope you have a good day.
You too.
You stay safe out here, okay? All right, bye-bye. So hi, this is Winnie.
Aloy.
Aloy.
Yeah. Amosa?
And Amosa. Yeah, nice meeting them here in the commissary. All right, you have a wonderful day. They told me about the Lacey Polyfest on June 24th in Lacey. We'll see you. All right. Yeah. Fase fua.
Okay, bye.
Names if you want. Hi. What's your name?
I'm Liz. I'm Tolly.
Hi. Hi.
God is greater.
Yeah. God is good.
God is greater church.
Yeah. Look. Can you tell us what you're doing here today? And I'll film some of
We're
it.
doing an outreach here today here in Tacoma at the God is Greater Church under the First Samoan Assembly of God, and we're just reaching out, giving good vibes, and we also are providing services for low-income families.
Wow.
Why your wife no cook? Huh? Why your wife no cooker?
Hey, Sully. Man, Uso, you awake?
Yeah, I'm awake. What'd you call me?
Uso, come on, Sully. Stop kidding around. I'm glad you're awake. That was freezing in that ice bath at the fisherman's market, hey?
I don't remember.
What you mean you don't remember? Come on, Uso. What's wrong with you?
I remember having a hook in my head.
I'm getting so old to carry groceries and make videos. Oh, who am I kidding? Yeah! Hello, for love, everyone.
I almost forgot the oxtail. Oh, give my wife a nice chunk of oxtail. Let's put that on our plate. Oh yeah, it's that time.
What's
So
your
today,
channel?
our channel is Teine, Samoa, and Tama.
I saw your channel.
Oh,
Hey, yeah, I saw your channel. He was in Hawaii and stuff. So we were both in the military. I like the shirt. We were both in the military and we retired. You had me at the super.
Ioi.